Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great Tuesday. Well, today is Flosstube Day. It is my 309th Flosstube and today is December 2nd, 2025. So we have a new cup for this month and it says Merry Christmas on both sides. And I am drinking jasmine green tea this morning, so we're just trying to stay warm. It was like 15 when I left last night. Yeah, I came home and ate the rest of my potato soup, so we got our money's worth out of that potato soup. But it's been kind of a busy week. When I look at all this, yeah, like 4 reviews, 5 starts. Yeah, and I only worked on 3 other things. Who am I and what happened last week for, taking a day off? Yeah, that didn't happen. Oh, goodness. But yeah, we had lots come in, and a lot of the people that I do reviews for had their Black Friday sale, so I'm glad I got through all that. Yeah, it has been worse. But let's see what I stitched on. So, not in any particular order, I worked on winter. And this came from Paint Some Way. And it's a small one. So, you can see more what I did on the back than on the front. I've been like going through one thread color at a time. So, yeah. I've got most of those mountains done. I believe that orange is white, and then it's going to be outlined. So, yeah, I didn't feel like working with white. I barely felt like working with 310 black. So, yeah. Those two are just not my favorite colors. Not at all. We also worked on this one. It came from Biggest Craft, and it is the butterflies. And it is 14 count. Let's see if I can get it out of there. And I did not get any more stitched on it. So we started in this lower right hand corner because I wanted to work on that monarch, but I call it a monarch. It may or may not be a monarch. I don't even know the names of all the rest. I think that's a dragonfly. Bit of information, it's just right here on the tip of my finger. So yeah, I will try to stitch on it some more this week. We'll see how that all goes. And we also started a Merry Christmas one, and this came from a New Craft Day. Let me get it out. I have all the thread inside of the things. And it is the Christmas owls, and I started with this little owl right over here. So I did get all the green, the dark green in, and I'm still putting in, there's a light green. It was a yellow symbol. I could see it, so I stitched it, but I don't know that I finished all that yellow green. So yeah, it's coming along. Not gonna say if I finish this or that, because, for me, that just doesn't work out. Something else comes along, and yeah, not happening. And we got this one from Paint Some Way. And I believe on the day that I got it, that's when I started this one. And it is the pomegranate flowers and bee. Got to figure out which way it goes. Whoops. I have the red already, so didn't get any more of it done. So, yeah. We'll work on it. It's 11 count. Didn't get that much done on it, and it's beautiful. It's just gorgeous. So it'll be interesting to see what it looks like once I get some more colors and everything in that. Hold, please. I forgot to go get this off my desk. This is the Tigers, and they came from DP Clubs, if I could just talk today. Sorry for the glare, but they are just absolutely stunning. And I didn't get any more. They're 14 count as well. No more done than what we did for the video, and that was in the upper right hand corner. So yeah, I wondered what happened to that, but it was buried underneath something else. So yeah, and that's all the starts. So we had quite a few starts this week, so kind of stick with the Christmas stuff, and maybe we'll get some more Stitch With Me's as far as Christmas goes, you know. And Thanksgiving Day, I worked on this one. I just love this cat. I just want to pick it up and hug it. And you probably won't be able to see, you can see on the back how much I've actually done on it. So yeah, I worked here, there, and everywhere, just putting in threads. Oh, I'll pick a thread and stitch on it until dinner's ready, and oh, need to do another. That's how that all went. And I just barely worked on it when I got back home. And this one was from GBFKE. Love this one. I love this. I love this. I love this. I bet you can't guess what it is. If I could get it out of its bag. This is the Bunny in the Rabbit. I mean, Bunny in the Rabbit. Oh my goodness. Words are hard today, I think. This is Bunny in the Library, and I love it so much. I do. So I've tried to concentrate in these pink pajamas. For the video, we did one color of pink, and I have been just left, right, and I don't know that I can get it so it doesn't have, you know, light shining through it. So I got 2 strands of color in those pajamas, so they're coming along. I don't know how many other symbols there are to that, but this is an absolute pleasure to work on. It's not overly confettied or anything like that. I was on one of the sites for the people that I do reviews for. Hold, please. I don't want to get that tea anywhere near this. And, sorry, finish my sentence. I did find the hedgehog by the fireplace. Somebody mentioned that. So I did actually find that, and I ordered that as one that I will be reviewing. So now we have the squirrel, the hedgehog, and the bunny. Is there anything else out there that I need to know of? Because I didn't even know about the bunny, the squirrel, or the hedgehog. So here we are. Yeah. Last but not least, hang on, I'm reaching. Oh my goodness. Is my 18 hairpins. Brain fog again. Let's not go back 2 weeks ago when I was sick. So I've been working in this blue section of dress, and I didn't, yeah, there's a lot of orange in that area, and I'm just getting really scared. So I avoided it like a plague and fled up in here. So that's all that I've gotten done on that. And we did not have the it's coming, Watertown Memory last week. We're going to have it this week. So I didn't stitch on it at all last week. So that is all that I stitched on as far as cross stitch. But I wanted to show you the slow stitching that I've been working on. That's in my lovely bag that I got from my friend Jill. I love that bag because it holds everything. So this is just one of those little fidget things, you know. I just do it and stitch here, there, and everywhere. I made pockets. I just went kind of nuts on that one. And this one's got a wad of thread. You can see my basting stitches in this one, basically. So that means I haven't stitched on that yet. So just a little something different, you know, to just work on. And then this is Boro, B-O-R-O. You can look that up on YouTube and they will tell you exactly what it is. And people have different variations of this, but it was originally done in Japan as a way to mend clothes. So they would put like a patch and then they'd put like some kind of design on it. Because clothes, they couldn't just go to the grocery store or go to a department store and buy clothes. So clothes had to last for a long time, so they took old clothes to fix the clothes that they were wearing. So that's a brief synopsis of that. So this one is going to be done all in white thread, and I'm about from here and then all the way across this way. So it's just something different. And I didn't, in the beginning of my sashiko, I bought some little fat quarters because I needed color and materials. Well, since then, I have, I'm looking to see if there was anything else in that bag. Sorry. Sparkly squirrel. I've gotten old clothes from the thrift store that I didn't have to pay too much for. And I'm cutting them up and using the various pieces and kinds of fabric for this. I'm not going to go out and buy yards and yards of brand new material. It'll just be by used. So it's a reuse project, if you will. But I thought I would explain all that. So other than that, guys, man, it's been a heck of a week. Let's hope this week is quieter. Yeah, 24 more days until Christmas. Just thought I'd mention that. I said that to one guy that came in and got coffee the other day, and he came in today. I said, well, I see you survived Thanksgiving. He goes, yeah, Christmas is next week, because I told him it was going to be next week, and the week after that, we're going to be in a whole new year. Yeah, that's the way life is just going to go like that. I just know it well. So, yeah, we're looking forward to all the fun times. I am supposed to go to my daughter's on Thursday. We have a play date because she got Zelda, the one that we played back when they were kids, her and her brother. So we're going to play Nintendo and have lunch and just hang out for the day. Yeah, just us. We'll see how that goes, because it's supposed to be snowy and freezing cold. So, but she has a wood-burning stove, so all should be well. So, yeah. I have no idea other than that, what this week's going to be like. For December, the theme is, of course, Christmas. So, I'll be either starting a new one or doing one that you've seen 3 or 4 times, you know, at least. And I'll be doing some new Christmas starts on our Stitch With Me days. I mean, unless they came from a company that I have to review. So, and some of those are supposed to be Christmas, so we'll see how it all puts together by then. Other than that, that's all I've done. Oh my God. Yeah, it's just, yeah. Can we just slow down for just a bit? I need a nap. Yeah, so I have no idea. Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. Thanks for listening to me blather on and on. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.